Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2019 Chrysler Pacifica. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer. The Pacifica is the ideal family hauler. Loaded with safety features and tech-focused amenities, it's powerful, quiet, agile, and offers flexible seating configurations. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: aluminum wheels, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. It's so enjoyable to drive, you might forget it's a minivan. Take the Pacifica out for a drive and see for yourself.